Vanakkam everyone. Vanakkam is greeting in Tamil. And why I am greeting in Tamil? You will learn soon.
You heard about Ramayana and Mahabharata, which is Sanskrit epic and it is very famous. And I am sure you don't heard about the Tamil epic. Yeah, in this video I explain you this.
The meaning of Sillai Padikaram is a story which around Anklet. And this is a story of a prosperous merchant named Kovalan married with a girl Kannagi at the age of 16 and lived in Puhar. Puhar have its ancient significance. It's located near mouth of Kaveri on sea coast, and it is now a Pumpuhar, which is in a district of Mailaduthurai in Tamil Nadu. It's also developed as a flourish ancient port city and served as a capital of Chola Empire. Coming to the protagonist, Kovalan lived in Puhar with his wife Kannagi, and Kovalan fell in love with a dancer or courtesan named Madhvi. Kovalan neglecting his wife and completely forgot his wife and spent all the time with Madhvi. Meanwhile, spent all his wealth on his lover. Later, there is a misunderstanding between young lovers. As a result, Kovalan returned to his wife Kannagi, and Kannagi welcomed him wholeheartedly. Realizing his mistake, and he decided to start a new life, raise capital through trade by selling Kannagi jewels anklet by migrating to Madurai. Now Madurai is famous for Meenakshi temple, and it's also a Allur Mingu Meenakshi Sundareshwar temple is a historic Hindu temple, and Meenakshi and Sundareshwar means Parvati and Shiv. It's a Parvati and Shiv temple. So coming to the story, after migrating to Madurai with a Buddhist nun on the journey, but Kovalan accused of theft by a court jeweler of Pandya king, and king sentenced Kovalan to death. Kannagi, who still loved him, was full of grief and anger at this injustice and cursed to destroy the entire Madurai city. And after, due to his curse, the Madurai city destroyed and king died. After that, the Kannagi moved to Kerala, and there is a Chera, one king of Chera kingdom, learned about a Kannagi and made a temple on the name of Kannagi Devi, and Kannagi is now worshipped as a Devi, as a goddess. And this beautiful composition were lost for many centuries till their manuscripts were rediscovered about 100 years ago. On this epic, many films opt in Malayalam as well as Tamil and also in Sinhala, which is spoken in Sri Lanka.
There is another Tamil epic, Mani Mekalai, who is daughter of Kovalan and Madhvi. And the Mani Mekalai is composed by Satanar. Thank you so much for watching, and how do you like? Comment down which part you like and give your suggestion.